everyone, welcome back to another episode. I'm Cari. This channel is all about Hawaii food and family. And today, Reid is going to be making a lemon mousse for us.
Lemon mousse. And recently we had French dinner. And so this is going to be the dessert that's going to accompany our French meal. So never made this before, found an easy recipe online. And so we're going to go and try it. So
what do we have to do first?
So just talking a little bit about the ingredients, really simple. A lot of this stuff you probably already have at home. So you start with 8 eggs, and you're gonna need 4 cracked with the yolks and the whites, and then the other 4 with just the yolks, and then you're gonna separate on the side the whites for those last 4 eggs. Okay, along with that, you're gonna need about a cup and a fourth. Is that the way you say it? A cup and a fourth? 1 1/4 cups of sugar, 4 lemons, zested and also squeezed, and then heavy whipping cream, salt, and vanilla extract. So
pretty simple.
Really simple. You see here we're getting this pot of water to boil because what we're going to do first is we're going to beat the eggs like they did something wrong.
Yep.
And what we want to do is make sure that we get these to look like how it would look if you're scrambling the eggs. Okay. So in this egg mixture, we're going to add in about half a teaspoon. This is 1 teaspoon, so about half of it of kosher salt. Teaspoon of kosher salt into here. Okay. We're also going to add 1 cup of granulated sugar. And then we're going to stir this until it becomes smooth. Okay. And then the last thing we're going to add in here is Aiko's favorite, lemon juice. Yeah, Aiko?
It was really good.
It was
really good, she said.
It wasn't very...
Was it sour?
Nope.
Oh, not sour.
Okay.
But I wasn't trying it.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay, so in here, we've got the 8 eggs. The last 4, you take the egg whites out and keep it separate. About 1 cup of sugar, half a teaspoon of kosher salt, and the lemon juice. It's smooth now, and so what we're going to do, this is coming to a boil. We're going to place this on top of the boiling water. And what you're going to do is we're going to use the steam from the boiling water to cook this mixture. And it's really important, I read online, you keep moving this because you want it to get into the consistency of pudding. Okay, so we're almost at the point where it's loose pudding, and it's been in here for maybe about 15 minutes. It's a little slower, this process, because we're not putting it directly into the boiling water. It's sitting above boiling water. But you can see the consistency is getting a little thicker. It's becoming a curd. Kathy is just filling up water. Everyone else is eating dinner. So in this family, the Koreans slave and cook food while everybody else enjoys their meal. Yeah, they were like, get dessert ready. It's like, okay. It's a good thing I had some crackers and olives before this. And that's tiding me over until I can actually sit down and eat, if there's still food left. Because as you know, the help eats last. Okay, so the consistency looks like curd. So we're at the point where we can now strain. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and we're going to pour it through. You're going to want to get a very thin strainer and pour it over another bowl. And after we strain it and take out all the lemon zest and all the pieces of lemon and make it a smooth mixture, we're going to put this in the fridge and we're going to let it chill for about an hour. And then I get to eat.
What inspired you to make lemon mousse?
Google. So when I looked up some French desserts, this was the easiest one to make that didn't require us to have a flame torch like creme brulee or anything like that. And it's lemon. Who doesn't like lemon, right? And I think it's something easy for the little kids to eat.
So now I think Reid's gonna put this in the refrigerator.
Oh no, sorry.
And I think we're supposed to put it in for about 30 minutes to about an hour.
Okay, so we're at the second part to this where we're going to be mixing the remaining egg whites. There's 4 of them with 1/4 of a cup of sugar, and we're going to be whisking it until peaks form. I don't know what that is, so we're going to figure it out together. Cari said it's when it becomes so thick that you can make little mountains. We'll see. So we're going to put the egg whites into this clear bowl along with the 1/4 cup of sugar. So we're going to now take the egg white mixture and fold it into our lemon curd. Okay, so folding it in. So set aside. Okay, the last thing we're going to do is we're going to add in the remaining 1 cup of heavy cream. I already used this for a different recipe. So we'll add this in. This is 1 cup along with a teaspoon and 1/2 of vanilla. 1/2 of vanilla extract. So we got the heavy cream and the vanilla, and it is to the consistency we need it to be. So now we're going to add it back into our mixture and fold it in. So it's actually kind of makes a lot, yeah?
Okay, we're gonna taste test a little bit before we chill it.
Oh yeah, I think that's what it's supposed to taste like.
It's very good.
It's very good.
It's delicious. How long do we chill it for?
So it's cold. Let's just try.
Very good. It's a perfect amount of lemon, and it feels refreshing.
How's the texture?
Lemon souffle. It's like it's light. So it looks like pudding, but it's lighter than pudding. Very good. Very smooth.
Hey Dad, how's the mousse?
Yeah, it's really good. It's a lemony flavor, but it's very light, you know, very creamy. Tastes so good. Yeah.
See. Very light. Guilt-free because it's so light, right? No, it's delicious. It's really good. It's a really good mousse. And it has that fluffiness to it. Very good.
It's very light and fluffy and lemony.
Everybody said, can you think of different adjectives? Because that's what everybody else said.
I mean, that's what it is.
Velvety.
It's got a little bit of tartness.
Yeah, it's not too sweet,
And
actually.
it's not too sweet, but it's just like, you know, very lemony. It's like lemonade on a cloud.
What's that you got there, Ethel?
One little
Okay, we're about to try our lemonade on a cloud.
As Jenny called it.
Does it taste like lemonade on a cloud?
It's very, yeah, I like it. It's very good.
Yeah.
Nice and tart and tangy.
Yeah. And it's not too sweet, actually. It's a good amount of sugar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, Chef Reid did it again.
1 and 1/4
Not
cup.
bad. What do you think of the consistency?
It's good. I know Mom was saying that she wished her
KitchenAid.
KitchenAid was faster, but I think it worked well. Yeah.
All right, so hopefully, you know, this gave you some ideas for hopefully, other than that, we hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye.